Are you looking to find out how to order your medical supplies online? Then you've come to the right place. We will give you a step-by-step, and if you stick around until the end, we'll even give you a free ebook on the top 7 ways to save the most money and where you can shop to get those discounts. You can say goodbye to the exhausting back and forth of traditional methods. It's all about convenience and efficiency. But how does it work? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and we're here to guide you through it. Step 1. Identify your needs. Whether you're a healthcare professional looking for specialized equipment or a caregiver sourcing daily care supplies, knowing exactly what you need is the first step. Step 2. Do your research. The internet is a vast place, and there are countless online medical supply stores. Look for reputable websites with good reviews and competitive prices. Step 3. Browse and select. Once you've found a reliable online store, browse through their range of products. Use the search function to find specific items. Add the items you need to your virtual shopping cart. Step 4. Payment. Review your cart to ensure you've included everything you need. Then proceed to checkout. You'll need to provide shipping information and choose a payment method. Keep listening to find out how and where to save money when ordering. Step 5. Confirm and wait for delivery. Once your payment is confirmed, your order is placed. You'll receive a confirmation email with your order details. All that's left is to wait for your supplies to arrive at your doorstep. Sounds simple, doesn't it? That's because it is. Ordering medical supplies online is a game changer, saving you precious time and energy. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you're interested in more medical supply and equipment recommendations. And for those of you who want to make their dollar go further, we have a special treat. Click on the link in the description below to get a free ebook with insider tips on how to save even more money when ordering medical supplies online. We found one of the top medical equipment and supply retailers for you, so all you have to do is just order what you need. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the savings and do tell your friends about us.